Hi everyone, this is Pallavi. I'm from Niswey, a HubSpot Elite Partner, and in this video, I'm going to share how to upgrade from your Litepics free plan to Express plan. In order to do that, navigate to any particular contact from the list of contacts available and click on it. It would open up the contact properties page. And towards the right hand side, please navigate to the Litepics CRM card and make sure you're the admin. So when you click on the action drop down menu, you can access these two options and click on full report. And with the available report here, you have a small section to upgrade your plan. Click on update. And in this page we recommend that if you have images say more than 270 in your file section in HubSpot, you can go ahead and choose our Express plan, as it compresses 1,000 images per day and compresses up to 15,000 images. So when you opt for the Express plan, all your images are compressed at one shot. To upgrade further, click on buy now. It would redirect you to our Stripe payment page. Over here, fill in all your credentials and also your the payment information, and go ahead and click on pay, and then you would be subscribing for the Express plan by Litepics. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.